All right, guys, what's up? It's been a minute. I haven't seen you guys since like California when we went to the car meet. I've been so busy with school and work and all this stuff going on, but I hope you're doing well. Today is a big day for us because my friends and I have been having this idea of like opening up a shop for the last while to work on our cars and do details and all this other stuff for people and get a clientele because we love working with cars and we want to do something around it. And that's what I've been saying for years, that I wanted to do a business around cars with like YouTube or like an actual physical business. And so welcome everyone to our shop. This is it's a start. I know it's kind of small and stuff, but to start we have this area over here that we're probably going to use as a wash bay area because it's shaded and it goes down into this drain right here. And then also this is going to be like the main garage area. So I'll kind of give you a rundown. Here's Alex's Miata, the GTI. There's shelving over here, and we'll go back in a second. More shelves and racks over here. We're gonna like repaint it, throw some LED lights on there so we can get the best lighting. GTI is looking quite dirty with it just like caked in bugs and stuff. Also peep the tow hook, blacked out freaking logos. And yeah, so maybe the first wash here will be on my car. Area over here is our landlord's. This is just kind of like his area. There's Riley taking out the trash right now. These lights are pretty solid until we get like some better ones. We're gonna get some ground lights. Like I said, we can get better lighting in here. This might be more like the mechanics / performance area. As we go into the back, it's funny, Alex is in here putting the shelves on. Alex fit the air compressor and all this other stuff in his tiny Miata. So props to him. We might have the clip. So if we have it, let's run it right now.
Alright, so I am out shopping for tools currently. Trunk is filled to the brim. Oh my hell. Bungee cords are gonna be my best friend here.
So we come into the like back area. It's very artsy, colorful stripes on the walls. Anyway, so a lot more shelving in here. We'll get some stuff, more tools and all that. It's really nice because there's gonna be 4 of us here working, and so it's nice that we can like section it off for each of us to have our own little spots to work on. The mop bucket, we're already mopping these floors, trying to make them shiny. I don't know why there's wrenches on the ground. Alex, do you know anything about this? Pick them up, bro. What the heck? We gotta respect the tools. Oh. This area will most likely be our paint correction area / where we're gonna be doing PPF. That's gonna be more me and Riley. That's gonna be more of our job, so that's gonna be sweet. I can't wait. Probably not this shop, but maybe if we go to the next shop, we want to do the epoxy floors. These floors are kind of nasty right now, but that's why we're mopping them and gonna squeegee all that water out. Props to Alex for going to Harbor Freight today and other stores and getting all the supplies we need. There's still a lot more that we still have to get, but he got mostly like the basics that we're gonna need, and like props to him because he spent a lot of money, and it's nice that we're really getting the shop set up this way, and we're off to a great start. I'm excited, and there's a lot of stuff, a lot of potential to come with the shop, and I'm excited. We're all excited, and it could be slow at first, but could be great. So if you guys need anything, like anything done with your car, like mechanic-wise, oil changes, all that, and then performance of any kind, if you need paint corrections, detailing, PPF, and tinting, all that stuff, we got. Anyway, guys, I want to just end this video by saying thank you to you guys and all my friends. We're really getting this shop put together, and I'm excited for it. That a lot of potential to come with this shop, and sorry about the glare, a lot of potential to come with this shop, and we are more than stoked for this thing. And hopefully in the we have a 6-month lease. Maybe after that or before that, we could move to a bigger, better shop. But like I said, it's a start. More to come. We're going to be updating you guys with updates on the shop and cars that we'll be doing. Along with that, I'll be doing my regular vlogging. It's not just going to be shop, guys. Don't worry. and it's, you know, other content, of course. But we're gonna spend some good times here, so I'm excited, and it's gonna be a great summer. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share with your friends, because we want people to see this. This is awesome. Anyway, thanks again for all the support, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Stay sweet out there. Peace.